Hello and welcome to my Enterprise Implementation of PowerShell DSC course. My name is Prajesh Pratap. I have over 10 years of experience as a developer, solution architect, and consultant. Over these years, I've coupled my technical expertise and agile practices to help teams become hyper-productive. In conjunction with establishing a successful agile process, my focus is on helping teams develop strong agile engineering principles and disciplines such as continuous integration, infrastructure automation, and continuous delivery. I'm an author and a frequent speaker at technology conferences and user groups. I'm a regular blogger and I publish my blogs at the URL blogsprajesh.blogspot.com. This section will help you start with the concepts of enterprise IT management processes and tools. In this upcoming section of the course, you will see how PowerShell DSC is integrated in a production implementation scenario. We'll see how using Visual Studio Team Services, a cloud-based solution from Microsoft for collaborating on software development teams, we can version control, build, and release infrastructure and DSC configurations. Going further, we'll see how PowerShell DSC can be integrated with some popular DevOps tools like Chef. We'll see how using Chef recipes we can invoke DSC resources on target nodes. We'll end this course by looking into the enterprise implementation of PowerShell DSC on Microsoft's hybrid cloud platform, that is Microsoft Azure. We'll see how using release management and ARM templates, we can create infrastructure in Azure and deploy applications automatically to Azure from Visual Studio Team Services. This course assumes that you have some experience using PowerShell and PowerShell DSC. You should be able to author and execute DSC configurations and have knowledge about DSC architectures, etc. I'm also assuming that you have some previous experience developing .NET applications using Visual Studio. We'll be making use of a sample .NET application developed in Visual Studio to demo the concepts of CI builds and automated release pipelines. Apart from these, we also need a valid Azure subscription, Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition for the labs. You can sign up for a free subscription from the Azure portal and also download Visual Studio Community Edition for free from the Visual Studio website. The goal of the course is to implement and integrate PowerShell DSC and the concepts of infrastructure as code in an enterprise. We'll see how using the ALM tools and solutions from Microsoft, we can create, version control, and distribute infrastructure along with the applications in development teams. We'll see how in large enterprises, proper infrastructure management is done with configuration management tools like Chef. We'll also see how we can combine Chef with PowerShell DSC to manage Windows servers in a cloud and on-prem situation. Finally, we'll have a look into Microsoft Azure and see how using JSON templates, we can define our infrastructure in cloud and make use of the tasks in Visual Studio Team Services to deploy and manage our infrastructure from an automated release pipeline.